Hello there. Here is how to customize your boot menu by installing a Grub theme. For this video, we shall be installing the elegant Mojave Grub theme on Elementary OS 7. By default, this is how the boot screen looks like currently. And this is what it will look like at the end of this video. Stick around till the end of the video to learn how. Step 1. Look for the Grub theme and download it to your PC. You can find the link in the description below. Step 2. Extract the compressed file, then go inside the folder and select one of the several options of the theme available. If your screen resolution does not match any of the provided ones, that is 1080p, 2K or 4K, pick whichever size is closest to your screen resolution. Let's have a look at this right light 1080p. And here is a sample of what it should look like. Now let's look at another one like this left light 1080p. The sample image looks great. I like it. So let's install this one. Now to install, all we have to do is run this install file. So open the terminal in here, then type the command as shown here. It requires root permission to run. So type in your root password and watch it do the magic. After it is done, confirm that it has updated Grub. If not, you'll need to update it yourself. Let's check the Grub file to see that everything is in order. While in here, you can decide to increase the timeout if you wish to. Grub theme is now okay, so we can exit. Let's now reboot and see the results. And there it is, Grub theme installed. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.